Hi, my name's Jen DeBow and I'm with Urban Nest Realty. Today we're talking about how to seal the deal on your dream home and make the perfect offer so that it gets accepted. Number one, price your offer right. To do this, your offer needs to be as strong as possible, especially in a market with such low inventory and high demand. Don't try to lowball the offer. It's the market that determines the value of the home, not you or the seller. Look at the comparables in the neighborhood you're considering to determine what the market value is. Number two, consider your contingencies very carefully. Contingencies written in a buyer's offer are designed to protect you, not the seller. Everything from selling your home to closing dates to loan contingencies can affect your offer in the seller's eyes. Number three, write a clean offer. I've seen so many offers get declined by sellers simply because the agent wrote a sloppy contract. It's imperative that your real estate agent writes a clean, simple, concise offer. Ultimately, the contract is a first impression. It's like going out on a date for the first time. Put your best foot forward and make a great impression. You'd be so surprised how many agents get this wrong. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you on the next episode.